Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and another video. And I am so excited because today we hit 300 subscribers on my YouTube channel, Rad Bavarian. I am so grateful for all of you. Again, this means so much to me, and I'm thankful for all of you that have supported my channel. For a lot of you, 300 subscribers may not seem like a lot, but to me that tells me that there's 300 people interested in F30 BMW 320i content. And I just want to say thank you again. Thank you to all my supporters, to all the businesses that backed me up, like Kies Motorsports. You guys are significant because you guys are sending me products and gear, things to install. And Brian and guys at Kies Motorsports, thank you so much. It means so much to me that you're willing to support my build. And I think this would be a good time for me to share exactly why I decided to get a BMW 320i. So the BMW 320i, when I got it at BMW Murrieta, and if you know where that's at, it's in California. It's in the city of Murrieta, and you know, I took a trip out there because they have sold so many cars to my family, because they have phenomenal customer service. They treat you like family. I got the BMW 320i specifically because at that point when I got it, I wanted a daily car. I wanted something that was not too expensive a month, great on gas, and that makes me look professional. Before I was driving a Jeep, XJ, and it was a tin can. It rode like a champ.
No, come on.
But it sat there most of the time because I just didn't have time to maintain it or work on it as I would like to, or even go off-roading. And on top of that, it looked pretty funny for me to show up to executive meetings or business meetings at my work, and I show up with a tin can that is very loud with a Flowmaster exhaust. I mean, you know how that is. Later, I discovered a lot of videos on YouTube, one of them being Thick F30, Kies Motorsports, and I saw how easy it was to work on BMWs. So the first modification that I did was the push start red button, and it was great. It was so easy and fun to do, and that kind of sparked the journey of seeing what else I can get away with. And then I chopped off my muffler, and then the resonator, and that just skyrocketed. And then I went ahead and got myself an intake, stage 1 tune, the odd tuning exhaust pipe, diverter valve from Go Fast Bits, the inlet from MST. But now I am on a journey to build the coolest 320i that I can. And I get so much hate, I really do. I get a lot of hate on the forums, and people comment and tell me, why in the world did you decide to get a 320i? It's such a base model. I'm happy with my 320i. It's one of those things that people underestimate how much an N20 motor can really handle.
Holy crap, dude. That sounds bad.
And right now, I am so satisfied with the build. I'm satisfied with what's going on, and I'm happy. I have more to come, more things to do. I'm partnering with amazing companies to do more things to my 320i. And I'm also planning on featuring other F30 and other BMWs. You see, my channel is called Rad Bavarian. It's not just for my 320i, it's just the car that I have right now. But now that I have 300 subscribers, I figured, well, let me see if I can expand this. I'm gonna start reviewing other BMWs and showing you just what's out there. You know, how good they are, reliable, how they sound, how are they on miles per gallon, performance-wise. And I'll have interviews with professionals that are BMW enthusiasts to give you proper value about all BMW cars out there. It's going to be an all-encompassing BMW channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching this channel. I am beyond grateful. There's more to come, so make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I will catch you guys soon. Thank you so much, family.